In this Insta Keywords review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to find you profitable, easy to rank for keywords. Also, it will create videos for you and even articles as well, so you can get 100% free traffic from Google. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Insta Keywords, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we get in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says find easy to rank top SEO keywords to boost your website traffic through the roof, plus get access to super valuable keyword metrics for which other companies are charging hundreds of dollars monthly. So you get unlimited searches with this, unlimited, it says no monthly fees. You can target the right keywords so you know exactly which ones are profitable, which ones are actually getting searched for, and you're not targeting keywords that are going to be just like impossible to rank for. So if you don't want to be going for like things like weight loss, you want to be like really going and narrowing it down to long-term or long-tail keywords, and these are ones that you're going to be able to actually rank for instead of wasting your time on really hard ones. You can find the ones that don't have a lot of competition. You can find the perfect keyword. You can use the keyword drill down feature to get keywords that you can rank for instantly. You can even create an article to video with this. You can actually create, and it will create a video for you. It will create articles for you. It's just so many different things. And you can publish your post and then wait for the magic to happen, rinse and repeat, and be able to use this again in order to get free traffic and not waste your time on keywords that you're never ever going to be able to rank for. So this is the offer you're going to see on the sales page. I'm going to play you a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Before writing any content or making a video, the first thing you need to do is keyword research. Targeting the right keyword can help you rank on the first page of Google and YouTube very quickly. But how do you know which keywords to target? You can't just write a list of keywords. To get good results, you need to find keywords that are most relevant to your content, but also have good volume and low competition. With Insta Keywords, you can do that very quickly and easily. It finds you exactly those keywords that lots of people are searching for, but very few marketers are targeting. Let me give you a quick walkthrough. So these are your search tabs. Use this Google search tab to find keywords on Google. We will leave the language as English and the country as global to get worldwide results. For this demo, I'll target a really broad keyword like web design and then narrow it down to show you how to find the best performing keywords for it. First things first, you should never target a keyword like web design directly, as it's an extremely competitive keyword and chances for ranking this are virtually impossible. Insta Keywords can help you find keywords related to your main keyword that are in the same niche, have decent traffic, but are very easy to rank. The first column is of course the keyword suggestions. The second column contains the keyword search volume. Like this keyword has nearly 700,000 searches on Google per month. The third column contains a keyword CPC, which is useful if you're thinking about buying PPC ads for this keyword. And finally, this fourth column contains the keyword's competition score. We calculate this using a variety of factors like the SEO difficulty, type of niche, search volume, brand query, and other factors. Basically, this column will tell you exactly the keywords that are worth targeting and save you a lot of time and effort. So as you can see, here we started with a very hard keyword. It's no surprise that almost all the suggestions have very high competition score. But don't worry, here is where Insta Keywords comes in. See this small plus sign in front of the keyword? This is the keyword drill down feature, and it will help us narrow the related keywords that have good traffic but are super easy to rank. This keyword here, web design jobs, has fair competition. So let's use the keyword drill down feature to find some related keywords that have good search volume but low competition score. And almost instantly, we have an amazing list of keywords that can generate very good traffic with very low competition. Like this keyword here, freelance web design jobs, has over 1,000 searches in a month, yet it's still very easy to rank. Or this keyword here, work from home web design jobs, has an even lower competition score, but good traffic. Now, let's check how this keyword has been performing in the last 12 months. Click this Keyword Trends button here. This keyword's volume is on the rise as more people are working from home nowadays. The Keywords Trend is a very useful feature as it can help you get the first mover's advantage on trending keywords before everyone else. To check how many sites there are targeting this exact keyword on Google, I'll just type this in quotes and do a quick search for work from home web design jobs. As per Google, there are only 9 pages on the whole web with this exact keyword, which confirms nobody is targeting this keyword yet. But there are still over 1,000 searches being done for it every month. So this is a very good keyword, and it is also very easy to rank. Use this Export CSV button here to download the list of keywords into an Excel file. Use this drop down here if you wish to export only selected keywords. You can use the CSV data to import this keyword data in any third-party software as well. InstaKeywords uses a proprietary algorithm to generate 3 times more suggestions than any other keyword research tool. This means you can generate hundreds and thousands of keyword suggestions in a few clicks to uncover the best hidden gems to get more traffic to your website. By the way, there are absolutely no restrictions on the number of searches or downloads. InstaKeywords offers you truly unlimited access to valuable keyword metrics that no other company will allow you to download. Here is a new feature we've added to InstaKeywords. It's called Keyword Questions. InstaKeywords can now also generate a list of popular questions about your keyword that you can use to get more traffic to your website. This takes out all the guesswork and gives you the exact topics you need to cover in your article to get the top rankings. Like for my keyword, web design, all I have to do is click the Generate Suggestions buttons, and InstaKeywords generates hundreds and thousands of questions people are asking about it. You can also use the keyword drill down feature on popular questions to find a really specific question to answer and start ranking for it right away. Now, let me tell you about our 2 free add-ons that can make ranking on Google and YouTube push button automatic. Notice this robot icon here. This is a link to our new software called Blog Post Robot. It's an AI writer that can write a 100% unique Copyscape past blog post content for any keyword in just one click. So, you can forget about hiring expensive copywriters or spending hours on writing articles. Blog Post Robot can write an amazing SEO-optimized, highly engaging 1,000-word article for any keyword in just one click. We're giving 1,000-word credits to all InstaKeywords members as a bonus to help you get started instantly. But wait, what if I told you you can also turn this keyword into an amazing animated video with full-color voiceover and animation in one click too? Click this YouTube button here to instantly turn your keyword into a live talking video. Now, you can get traffic from both Google and YouTube to generate even more leads and traffic for your business. We're giving a free Article Video Robot account to all members. So now, you can try all features of AVR and create 30-second long videos for your keyword in just one click, absolutely free. Did you know videos rank faster and higher than articles? Yes, you can rank a video in just a few minutes after uploading it to YouTube. You don't even have to create any backlinks or do any additional SEO. Article Video Robot comes with a free video SEO tool that can help you rank your videos in literally 2 minutes after you upload them to YouTube. InstaKeywords makes it very easy to find the best keywords and rank them on Google and YouTube. It's the easiest way to boost your website traffic and sales through the roof. So, what are you waiting for? Click the Get Access button to get started and start ranking your keywords now.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. Now, if I do a search for like weight loss here, it's gonna like pull up all these ones. It's gonna tell me which ones to avoid, which ones are gonna be really hard. Like if I try to rank for some of these keywords, it's gonna be very, very impossible to rank for. Now, I might be able to rank for this one, weight loss with a shot, but it's telling me no one's searching for this. There's no traffic. But this one right here, weight loss after tummy tuck, that's getting some traffic coming in, and it's really something that I could rank for. There's not a lot of competition there. It's something that I could easily rank for. So I could just click on this video, this thing right here, to create a video for it. I can have the software create a video for me and rank for that on YouTube. So you could also have this thing right here. Will create an article for you, put that article up somewhere, and be able to rank your article as well. So it's just like really neat software. I love the fact that it actually is showing you like the search volume, the cost per click. So it tells you like, are people actually paying for that keyword? Is that like a one that is like a valuable keyword to rank for? Just so much great data, trends, and of course this right here, this competition, which ones you should avoid, really important. Now, there are two upgrades for this. The first one here says AI Writer turns your keyword into a 1,000-word unique article in one click. So if you want to be able to create a 1,000-word article in one click, then you're going to want to get this one right here. It's going to be able to create these ones where you can actually click it and it will create these different articles for you. So that's the first upgrade. And then this one right here says turn your keywords into stunning videos and rank quickly on the top of Google. So if you want to get that video aspect of this, you're going to want to get this right here so you can create those viral videos with these upgrades. So this says no camera or editing, lifelike voiceovers, 150 animated text, all these different things for this add-on. It's fully featured video editor if you really want to take this to the next level. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Insta Keywords and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, it's just the fact that just because you are using a keyword tool like this doesn't mean that it's going to be 100% right all the time. Like you might find a keyword that says it's easy to rank for, you rank for it, and it doesn't give you as much traffic as you expected. So just know that these tools aren't always right 100% of the time. What do I like about this? If you're going to be trying to rank for stuff, you want to make sure that you are like doing it correctly before you spend a lot of time or money trying to do it. This is a tool that will help you find profitable keywords. It will help you find the ones that you can actually rank for, and it's not going to waste your time or your money. Thank you so much for checking out my Insta Keywords review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.